Hey everybody, it's Zach, and today we're gonna be walking.
Oh, hey guys.
Oscar.
Hey guys, remember today you guys watched that other episode?
Yeah.
And I said we're gonna have another episode. Well, now the other episode has just begun right now.
Yeah, there's gonna be a second one with
And then with Sasha, it's gonna be a part
Sasha
two.
with the big one.
The episode's gonna call Walking Dog Part 1 and then Walking Dog.
Yeah.
Hey, woo, let's go.
Okay.
So we're gonna go this way, and you
Yeah.
can see my neighborhood.
Yeah. See his neighborhood.
You like this, Oscar? Huh? Oh yeah, and
Oscar.
I have the glasses on now too. So
Yeah.
Oscar, this way.
Dude, let's get away from this, because I can't really. The YouTubers that are watching this can't hear us.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, so I know you guys can hear that, but okay, come on. Whoa. Oh, I'm not gonna step on that. Okay.
These are other houses. That's a weird
House.
The house is kind of nice.
Yeah.
Okay. I like some of these houses in this area.
Oscar. You will beware. You will be Oscar. Oh, wow.
I like going in this area too. Did you like
Yeah, me too. I like this area. Ooh, ladybug.
Ladybug?
Oh, I swear I saw one.
We're gonna have another episode later today.
Yeah.
It's gonna call Zach and Tristan hanging out, and we'll have a little just us walking, and we'll be staying right here. But that will be later.
Yeah.
YouTubers who are watching this.
Yeah.
We'll,
I'm gonna do Sasha.
then with the after part 2, we'll do the Zach and Tristan hanging
Yeah.
out.
We're also. Oh, pee. Oh, that's kind of gross. And we're gonna do a gaming episode with Halo.
Yeah. Oh, and just to let you know, we're gonna have another episode with my iPad playing Slender, because I have a Slenderman game,
Yeah.
and from my iPad we'll play that too.
Yep.
Hey, that should be my mailbox, because my last name's Westfall.
Yep.
Come on,
Come on,
Oscar.
Oscar.
Reader.
Yeah, Oscar. Can pee later.
Be on that car.
Pee.
There's a be on that car.
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Are you gonna go pee? Okay, just mind his own business.
I have
Private.
a harness for him, but it's kind of hard to get on him, so that's why he doesn't have it right now.
Yeah.
Because it's hard. And for part 2, it will be Sasha.
Yep.
My dad will help me
Yep.
get on this harness, because it's kind of
Yeah.
hard to get on Sasha.
Sasha. Beware of dog. Dude, run.
Alright.
Oscar needs some. Oh, okay, I guess he's gonna go pee. Go on, Oscar.
You need to get more meat on you, buddy.
Yeah. Let's jog for Oscar.
Come on. Catch up, bud. I want you to catch up. Alright. Come on. Here, I know what to make you move. Come on, Oscar. Come on, buddy.
Well, thing's wobbling, so kind of don't want.
Come on, Oscar.
Video would be horrible.
Go pee.
Just let him. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Come on, Oscar.
gross.
After this, we'll have some water, and then after the water part, we'll make part 2.
Yeah.
Come on, Oscar. Don't pee too
Oscar.
many times.
It's actually not gonna call it part 2. It's gonna be just 2. Cause with the other dog.
We should call it part 2, though. Come on,
Parts or parts of a video. Just number 2, cause it's a full.
Come on.
So I agree with 2. You can do 2 on other videos. Whoa. Snorter. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Bye.